To stop doing Python tutorials. Since some reason, mcreate doesn't work, now I am going to do Python. I've not done a video in very long, but now, I am going to do a video. So let's do this. So firstly, we need to go into idle. So yeah, we need to go in here. So let's just I accidentally went on down. Let's go into idle. You can see here. If you press file and add a new file, you can do that. And let's save it. And today's video, we are going to be trying to make spiral art. So I'm going to call this spiral art. Press save, and then I'm going to put up this on full screen. And this is actually pretty easy. So firstly, we need to import turtle. So I'm going to press import, type import turtle. After you've done that, we are going to make a random number generator. If you have heard of RGB, you may get this because when we do the spiral art, as it's creating, it's going to use random colors from the color wheel. And if you don't know what RGB is, let me show you. Basically, I'll go on Google to do this. Actually, I'll just quickly go on google.com. Okay, if you do RGB color picker, then you should be able to see this. So RGB is basically how much red, green, and blue is, and apparently you can see black, there's basically no red or green. If you will do it here, there is a lot of red, there's a bit of green, no blue. So let's create this number generator. It is not actually much code. So type from random import. Oh wait, I'll just quickly type that again because I didn't spell that correctly. And then type randint. After you do that, leave a line, and then we want to do the pen and background color. We need to do all of that stuff. So type turtle.bgcolor, and then do brackets, do quotation marks, then type the color that you want. I am gonna do mine black. Then I am going to go type in turtle again because we need to add some more. I don't know the word, but we need to add some more things for that. So we need to also do the speed of how fast it's going to draw it. So turtle.speed, brackets, 2 quotation marks, and then I'm going to do fast. You can also do slow, normal, and yeah. And then next, turtle.pensize, and then we're going to do this. Well, you can do it. I'd recommend doing it free. I think that's gonna be good. I'm not sure. But anyway, now we are going to make a for loop. A for loop is how much you can choose how much times the loop is going to do. And we are going to do our loop 600 times, or you can do it how much you want. I'm going to do 4x in range, and then you need to do brackets, and then type how much times you want to do it by. I am going to do it by 600. So yeah. So now we want to do what colors. I'm going to do random colors. I mean, that's how we've set it up. So now, if you want to do it, we need to do the RGB thing. So we need to do firstly R, and then we need to do randint, and then you need to do some brackets, and then do 0 to 255. I'm pretty sure you do it one backspace like that. Actually no, I think you do a space here. And then you need to do it for B. Actually no, not for B yet. You need to do G first. And then you finally need to do it for B. Okay. I am almost done. Okay, now I've done it. I'm just gonna fill in the gaps. Okay, now we need to turn on color mode. I'm pretty sure this will allow it so that we can use the colors. So I'm going to do turtle.colormode, then do brackets, and then I am going to do 255. Okay, next line. Then we are going to do turtle.pencolor. Then we need to do brackets again. Then we're going to do R, G, and B. And these are variables. So these variables will mean this, and now it does that. And the our number generator is going to be using that because randint means the number generator is going to be used. So yeah, now let's leave another line. And now I am going to be doing a square for mine, and I recommend you do that too. So we are going to do turtle.forward, and then we are going to do brackets, and then do 50 plus x. And then we are going to, I'm going to show why we will do 50 plus x. Well, you want to do that because, well, it's x, that. And that means it will do the for loop when drawing. And then the next thing we want to do is turtle.right, and then we need to do how much degrees it's going to turn. We are going to do 91, so it does that spiraling effect. So let's type 91. What is that? So yeah, and then and then you need to do, and then yeah. So now if I press run, okay, let's save it. Invalid syntax. Oh, I just realized something I forgot to do. This is supposed to be a randint. Now let's run it. check what we've done incorrect. Now, let's just quickly press run. I found out the issue. So basically, you need to put a colon, and I'm pretty sure you change this a bit. I forgot how I changed it, but anyway, we still did it. We have to do an indentation, so you have to press tab, 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 tab for each line, and I think you're done. And also, when I said you have to do randint in the top, no, you had to do range. I am going to change this back to 600. Now, let's see it in action. Okay, I've saved it now. It works. Done in a couple of It's become pretty big now. Okay, it's done. That is impressive. Now everybody, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this.